Wait lang.
Church of Apostles. Ah, ito. Pero hindi dito ang daan. Hindi dito daan. Church. Church lang to. Pero hindi. Bisitahin natin.
Andyan yung ano ni
A little mini cemetery. Oh. So we go around the entrance. Church of Apostles, Saint Peter and Paul.
Church of Apostles. Peter and Saint.
And this is the their kind of monastery. This kind of monastery. Hindi.
We go door.
Iba ang painit. Iba na ang dada. Paakyat.
May washroom doon.
In the one hot day, all the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Orthodox.
Yeah, Orthodox Christian. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Ano, picture sila ng buko. Tara. May dumadala mo.
Dahil kisingit, hindi naman sa atin.
Yung ganito. Kita sudah mas pano speedy. Gorina, bien na parao di. Ever na sa Manila School. May ilang pang oras pa tayo. Mahaba pa doon, ikutin pa natin. Ang ingay ko pala.
Oh, mag-show yata. Tara, tingnan natin. Tara, tingnan natin.
I think tapos na doon.
Ay? Royal Local Rural Museum.
Local Royal Museum.
Rural.
Joya Buyoy.
Buyoy. That's where we came from. This is Tavern, a dining restaurant, and a traditional houses. Another alley. Oh, another tavern. This is most of taverns are restaurants. Pao na pao! Pao bang! Oh! Wow! Let's try it.
So everyone here is like
Hola! Dito. Kainan din yan. sandwiches. And bites. Brownie bites.
Hello! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Ne. Let's try. Hello. Oh. Pottery Studio. These are Pottery Studio.
The same guy. Pottery.
Pottery.
So maglakad tayo hanggang sa dulo. Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Meron pa sa taas. Mamaya pa dito.
Pabalik na sila eh. Tapos na kayo.
Wala na dyan.
Wala na.
Tapos na.
Tapos na. Ito na yung last.
Ayan. So, akyat tayo sa taas tayo.
Oh, akit daw tayo sa taas. Ah, yeah. This is the last part. The end.
The end of the village. But,
The end of the
meron pa
celebration.
dun sa taas.
And
Oh, may show dun, oh.
ito tayo galing. We came from there. Taking picture.
Ate, mag-picture na tayo, te.
Sure. Alam mo itong baging na to sa taas? Kulay purple yan. Ang ganda niyan pag summer. Small bread.
Dito tayo, te. Wow, naka-ano na. Ready na siya.
Lutuan to. Traditional. Ang tawag dito?
Oven.
Oven? Yeah. Oh, traditional oven.
Ano yung tinitignan nila doon? May tinitignan sila.
Where's museum? Ito siguro. Ito ba?
Pwede ba na sumasok dyan? Parang wala naman din.
Wala naman. Hindi ito yung traditional. Where's the local? Oh. From here is very nice. The whole celebration, Ricardo Village.
Picture tayo. Pababa naman siya.
Hi. We're going home. We're going down. We're going back from the start. Konti lang tao ngayon.
Ha?
Konti lang tao ngayon.
That's good, right?
Siguro kagabi marami.
Oops. Na dapat ulan ngayon, di ba?
Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ha? Oh, ang dami lang nakaganyan, oh. Yung meron. Ha? Club? May green. Purple. Ah, back of the church, monastery.
Balik ulit tayo dito sa my church.
So we're back in the monastery. Abandoned. It looks scary inside.
There's a ghost!
It looks scary. It looks scary inside. Tapos bigla may sumungaw, no? Pero kung wala ditong mga ilaw, ang nakakatakot. Nakakatakot dito pag walang ilaw na ganito. Pictures. This is the last.
This is the last
Ikot namin dito sa the last round. And we're going to the bus. Going home. Meeting place. See you next time. Adios. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you.
Keep watching. Please like.